Digital agency at £820,000 annual turnover, 11 staff, owner involved in 80% of operational decisions, 58% gross margin, 11% net margin, low for an agency at this stage, effective blended rate £61 per hour against the £90 plus healthy benchmark, no capacity tracking, no decision library. Owner working 55 plus hours per week with 3 missed client review meetings in the last quarter, all missed because the owner was in production. This is the most common structural profile in the UK agency sector. A business that is successful despite its structure, not because of it. Revenue, £820,000. Gross margin 58%, net margin 11%, effective blended rate £61 per hour, owner dependency estimated 80% of operational decisions require owner input. The net margin and effective hourly rate both point to the same structural gap. The owner is in too many billable decisions, which compresses both delivery quality and pricing confidence. The audit takes 10 minutes. The primary constraint takes another 5 to name clearly. The primary constraint is not pricing. Pricing is a symptom. The constraint is the absence of a decision library, written answers to the 15 to 20 situations the team most often escalates to the owner. Without it, every team member encountering an unfamiliar situation routes it upward. That routing absorbs 8 to 12 owner hours per week and is the root cause of the compressed net margin and the low effective rate. Fix the decision library first. The pricing conversation follows when the delivery data exists to support it. 5 categories for a digital agency: client communication decisions, scope change decisions, quality decisions, what done looks like for the 3 most common outputs, scheduling decisions and supplier decisions, 3 to 5 written entries per category. Owner writes the first draft in one session. The completion signal, the team makes 5 decisions in 1 week that previously would have routed to the owner. Owner confirms each one without having been asked. Observable, countable, unambiguous. The ops lead now owns the weekly review. The weekly review needs a capacity number to be useful. Move 3 installs the tracking, a shared document updated every Friday by the ops lead, showing billable hours available versus booked for each team member for the following week. Completion signal, the utilization number exists and is visible before Monday morning for 4 consecutive weeks without the owner compiling or requesting it. This number is what makes the pricing conversation data-driven rather than instinct-driven. The 30-day review is scheduled for the 4th Monday before the session ends. 3 questions: what moved, which completion signals have been met, what is still blocked, which moves need adjustment, what the next move is, whether to start move 2 or extend move 1. The pricing conversation addressing the £61 per hour effective rate gap is not in this plan. It is the next plan after the delivery data exists to support it. Structure first, pricing when the structure can hold it.